Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on changing the body of your Dyson vacuum. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. This process typically takes about 30 minutes, so let's get started. First, unplug your Dyson vacuum to ensure safety. Removing the power source is crucial before beginning any repair. Next, examine the body of your vacuum to locate the screws that hold it together. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove each screw. Pay attention to their sizes and locations, as you'll need to replace them in the same positions later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the body of the vacuum away from the base. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. This is a good time to clean the internal components, as dust and debris can accumulate over time. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the inside, ensuring optimal performance. Now, let's focus on the replacement body. Align it carefully with the base, ensuring that all connectors are properly seated. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of transport, and we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. After aligning the new body, reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Once all screws are in place, give the vacuum a gentle shake to ensure everything is fitted correctly. Next, check the filters and other components. If they need cleaning or replacement, now is the perfect time. A clean filter will enhance the efficiency of your vacuum. If you're unsure about which parts to replace, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. After confirming everything is in order, plug the vacuum back in and perform a quick test run. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure the suction is strong. If everything functions correctly, you've successfully changed the body of your Dyson vacuum. In summary, always ensure you have the right tools and follow the steps carefully. If you encounter any issues or prefer a hassle-free solution, remember our services: no calls, no travel, just efficient repair options at your convenience. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.